Yeah, listen up, Hmong fam, from the mountains to the sea. 6,000 years of struggle scattered like leaves in the breeze. We lost our ancient script, our words carved in stone and wood. Persecuted, migrated, divided where we stood. From China's highlands to Laos, Vietnam and the West. Our stories passed by mouth, but unity's been put to the test. No empire to call home, no borders holding tight. But it's time to flip the script, rise up and ignite. Unite, Hmong nation, feel the fire in your soul. Rebuild like the dragon, make the broken whole. Revive the lost letters, build the bridges strong. Together we're unbreakable, this is our song. Unite, from the elders to the youth so bold. Turn the page of history, let the unity unfold. No more scattered clans, no more silent fight. Hmong power rising, shining bright in the night. Lessons from the east, where China falls and stands. 8 crashes in the dust, but rebuilds with steady hands. They got that written code, Kishi Huang's master plan. Characters uniting tongues across the massive land. No dialects dividing, just a shared eternal flame. Classics in every hand, keeping the culture game. Mandate from the heavens, rulers earn the crown. Lose the people's trust, boom, new dynasty comes down. Bureaucrats tested sharp, merit over bloodline ties. Institutional memory, that's how the phoenix flies. Come on, take the cue, don't let the oral fade away. Create a unified script, teach it every day. Unite, Hmong nation, feel the fire in your soul. Rebuild like the dragon, make the broken whole. Revive the lost letters, build the bridges strong. Together we're unbreakable, this is our song. Unite, from the elders to the youth so bold. Turn the page of history, let the unity unfold. No more scattered clans, no more silent fight. Hmong power rising, shining bright in the night. Steps to the throne, yo, start with the heart and mind. Gather the clans worldwide, leave no one behind. Revive our writing system, blend the old with new tech. Apps and books and Hmong script, respect what we protect. Build schools for the young leaders forged in fire. Merit-based councils lifting us higher. Shared stories of heroes from battles long ago. Ideology of kinship, let the family grow. Economic ties, festivals that bind. Global Hmong network, one vision aligned. Like China post-Kea, absorb the lessons deep. Cycle of renewal, plant the seeds we reap.
Yo, the dragon roars back, why can't Hmong soar? 6 millennia waiting, but division no more. From collapse to conquest, unity's a key. Hmong empire of spirit, wild and free. So rap this loud, pass it clan to clan. Reunite the people, that's a master plan.